Hello, fellow artists. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a friendly ghost witch. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw a diagonal line here and then a straight line here. Connect those. A rectangle here. Curve line, slight diagonal line down. Do a little V shape here for the tip of the hat. And then a little zigzag. And then a line down. And draw a curved, almost slightly S shape. And we're going to come to a point here. We're going to bring it back around. Now we're going to draw in the details. These are the arms. And I'm just going to do a smiley face. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Go to my channel and subscribe for more drawing videos. Bye!